Okay, boys and girls, please turn to page 15 of your companion booklet. And we are going to change the active voice to the passive voice. But this time around, we have modals in our active voice. And when we have modals in our active voice, then we add the word be. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 2. Okay, we can find these bins in the canteen. All right, we is the subject, can, find is the verb, and then these bins is the object. So then the word these bins should come first and becomes the subject. So these bins can be found in the canteen. Now take note that in the canteen will come right at the end. Okay, so let's look at the next question. Subject, we, verb, save, trees, object. So trees should come first, right? Okay, so trees will. Remember to include the word be saved. If we reduce our excessive use of paper. Okay? Alright. Now, if you need to pause the video, please do so that you can complete your corrections. Okay? So let's take a look at the next one. The children could print on both sides of the paper. Okay, the children is the subject, print is the verb. Okay, so what is the object? Both sides of the paper. So we have to begin with the words both sides of the paper. Okay. Okay, then could. Now remember to add the word be. Okay, now I would like to stress something over here. All right, now in this case, okay, when writing in a passive voice, we actually leave out the doer of the action. So who's the doer of the action here? The children, right? So now when we write in passive voice, we can actually leave out the doer, which is the children. So you don't have to include at the back. Both sides of the paper could be printed on by the children. Okay, so that will be considered wrong. This is the correct answer. So let's take a look at number 5. All of us can suggest ways to reduce waste. Now, subject, verb, object, right? So we're going to start with the object. So the object becomes our subject now. Ways to reduce waste can be suggested. Yeah, actually that's all right? Because we don't have to include by all of us. Okay. Next, teacher must encourage pupils to recycle. Subject, verb, object. So, pupils. Okay. Pupils must be encouraged to recycle. Okay. All right. Last question. Object. Sorry, let me repeat that. Okay, number 7 again. We is the subject, curb is the verb, and so the next part here is the object. So the excessive use of paper must be curbed. That's all. Okay, so we leave out the word be. We leave out the word we. All right. So that brings us to the end of this page. All right. So I'll see you again. Bye. Now, please remember to do your corrections in green pen. All right.